Hello and welcome to Math Lessons with Linda. Today's topic is how to solve a system of equations using the substitution method. So substitution is what it sounds like. I am going to substitute one variable in for another to help solve my equation. And remember that when you are solving a system of equations, what you are looking for is a point of intersection. I could graph these two lines and see where they cross each other, and that would be my point of intersection. So what we need to do is find the x and the y that satisfy both of these equations. And we're going to do that with substitution. So in substitution, we want to choose an equation that has a variable and a coefficient of 1. So we're kind of lucky because we have 3 of the variables out of the 4 that all have a coefficient of 1. So I think I'm going to take the first equation, this x plus y equals 5, and I think I'm going to solve it for the y. So that means I would want to move this x over to the other side. So I'm going to have 5 minus x. So this 5 minus x is now what I want to substitute in wherever I see a y in my second equation. So this 2x minus y equals 1. This is going to go in right here. Let's do that. So 2x minus, now I have to, since this is a subtraction, I do have to put this in parentheses because each of the terms that are in there need to have that negative applied to it. So this means we're going to distribute through our negative, and we're going to get 2x minus 5 plus x. Now, when I subtract a negative, it's plus equals 1. Let's combine some like terms. So I have 3x minus 5 equals 1. Let's go up here. And let's add this 5 to both sides. So it cancels. So I get 3x equals 6. These are nice numbers. When I solve for the x, I'm going to get x is 2. That is part of the point of my intersection. So I'm going to put the x up here in my point. Now, to solve for the y, remember this nice little equation over here we had and we solved it for y? Let's use this and plug our 2 in. So we have, y equals 5 minus x, but the x is the 2. So we're going to have 5 minus 2. So we get y is equal to 3. So what that tells me is the 3 is the other part of my point, and that is my solution. That's my point of intersection for my system of equations.